Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can boot your Windows 10 operating system into safe mode. So I'm going to show you two different ways in which you can boot your Windows 10 operating system into safe mode. So let's see the first way. So first of all, click on this Windows icon and then click on power button here and then press the shift key on your keyboard. So first of all, press the shift key on your keyboard and then click on the restart button. Okay, so it's very important to press the shift key and then only click on the restart button. So I'm going to press the shift key and then click on the restart button, and you will see your computer will restart and it's going to show you this kind of menu here. So in this menu, you need to click on the troubleshoot option and then click on advanced options and then click on the startup settings. So just click on this option which says startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and you will be able to see all these options here, including enable safe mode option. So when you click on the restart button, you will be able to see this window which says startup settings. Press a number to choose from the options below, and you can press F1 to F9 keys in order to choose among these options. So what we are interested in is the safe mode. So the keys which are related to safe mode here are 4, 5 and 6. So if you want to just enable the safe mode, just press F4 key on your keyboard. If you want to enable the safe mode with networking, press the F5 key, and if you want to enable the safe mode with command prompt, then press F6 key. So in my case, I'm going to just press the F4 key. So let me press the F4 key, which is going to restart your Windows 10 operating system. And now I can see this password option. So I'm going to just provide my Windows 10 password. So once you do that, you will be able to see this desktop which have the background color black. Okay, so this is how you know that you have entered into the safe mode, because this desktop will be black, and on your Windows icon, just above your Windows icon, you will be able to see safe mode here, and on the top also you will be able to see the safe mode. So this was the first way of booting your Windows 10 operating system into the safe mode. So now let's see the second way of booting your Windows 10 operating system into the safe mode. So for this, what you need to do is you need to just press your Windows key and R key at the same time. So just press Windows and R key at the same time, which is going to open this kind of run window. Now in this run window, you need to type msconfig. So just type msconfig here and then press OK, which is going to run this msconfig command, and it's going to open this kind of window here. Now you will be able to see this boot tab here. So just click on this boot tab and then click on safe boot here. So just check this checkbox which says safe boot, and then you can apply and then click OK. So just click on restart button here, which is going to restart your computer, and it's going to restart your computer into the safe mode. So here you need to once again give your Windows password, and now I can see that my Windows is restarted into the safe mode. So once again I see safe mode here, and I can see this black desktop, which means that our Windows has been booted into the safe mode. Now after you are done working in the safe mode, you can once again enable the normal mode by just pressing the Windows plus R key. So once again press Windows plus R key and then once again type here msconfig and then click on OK, and then once again go to the boot options here and then uncheck this safe mode. Okay, so it's important to uncheck this safe mode to boot your Windows operating system into the normal mode. So just uncheck this option and then click OK, and once you restart your computer again, so just press on restart and your Windows 10 operating system will restart, and it will restart in the normal mode. So now I can see my computer has been restarted in the normal mode, and once I give my password, I can see the normal Windows desktop once again. So this is how you can boot your Windows 10 operating system into the safe mode. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.